Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have this car here, I believe 2009. We have an issue with programming. Okay, if you did a programming with those car, you have like 1 year to 2 years to do all the programming diagnosis. The computer, the AC Delco will not ask you for another software update or software programming or to pay again. With the amount of the money that you pay, you can do the same car again and again, unless if you pay a complete subscription, unless if you pay a complete subscription, that's a different story. For a full year, it will work different. So I'm gonna launch tech line, and then we did a programming and they say everything is okay, but still I'm getting a code for security, which means it could be the computer itself have an issue. I want to see what code, what is the VIN number for this computer. I'm going to program the computer completely again. It's supposed to go in. Okay. You see here I have 984, and I have all this code, all these computers. 723, 723. Okay, so I'm gonna connect to the vehicle. I want to know which one is gonna take, but I believe the VIN number is already written. I'm gonna take this one. Continue. This is a dike. Here it will tell me the year model of the car. Yeah, 6996. So I'm gonna come here. I will reprogram replace and program. Next. Let me see which one I'm gonna program this time. Engine computer. Okay, go ahead and do it. And then I will do the key. I need extension cord for my charger.
Say it again?
I need extension cord for the laptop, please.
For laptop?
Yeah, for the laptop. They're giving me some limited calibration, only address, select limited calibration, only addressing customer complaint, hesitation, delay, harsh. Okay, limited calibration. Let me see what is this, what they say there. It's coming. Engine operation. Let me go to this one here.
Station?
Yeah, just plug it there for me.
Where is the plug?
Here on the charger. This one. Thank you.
Good? Sorry?
Yes, thank you. After that, I'm gonna do the key. The only thing I will run the security to see why I'm not able to get. It said 25, 26. Maybe it takes less than that, but we're gonna wait. I'm gonna leave it open just for us to understand how long it takes. After that, I will go and do the key. Please subscribe, share, and like. I'm getting P0633 after I programmed the remote. We have two computers. I hope the computer that they have it is coming. You see now is programmed it. Does it do it 2 times? I don't believe so. Now writing to ECU connection, connecting to the vehicle. I just did it already. I don't know why it played like that. Zero time remaining. I don't see anything that I don't see it here. It's coming back again. Writing to ECU. We already did that. Here is already verified. Or am I doing the transmission? You say programming ECU. Maybe this transmission control module. ECM is done. Maybe it's doing the transmission. I'm gonna wait for it. I see now it's taking longer. Maybe now programming is getting better. Before it go and move like it do it like 2 times. Right now it's taking more time. It could be more better. Please stay with us. For some reason it happened, so I'm not saying anything what happened to this, but as you see here, it take longer and it do it like 2 times. Tech Connect 25.630.2 product OCE. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. Okay. We are still waiting for it. We are here. Now I'm not sure if it's gonna take it. Yes, he said everything pass. So transmission been programmed, engine program. I say okay, this is a programming data. Okay, I'm gonna proceed with the same VIN number. Let me turn the key off. Turn it on again. Okay, I see the security light go off. That means it's programmed it. If it doesn't, if you have a code, sometimes it will not go away unless the car is start. You need a feedback. But I'm gonna go here on the security and vehicle theft deterrent VTD. And I would say okay. Then he will ask you what you need to do. Learning key replacement vehicle. Learn ECM. We change the ECM, so have the ignition on. Yes, we change the engine control module. So checking the slot. This is 12 minutes. Go ahead, say yes. Yes. Engine computer was replaced, yes. So it's gonna take a little bit of vibration and then it will go into lock mode to do the programming. It take at least 12 to 13 minutes. So 11 minutes, 10 minutes left. So after 10 minutes, we're gonna come back and see what's the option.